Healthy wraps with chicken, inspired by the world-famous buffalo wings. Add butter to a small saucepan over medium-low heat and melt slightly. Add the hot sauce and mix until fully combined. Add the lemon juice, garlic powder, paprika, salt, pepper, and cooked chicken and whisk to combine. Cook for about 3 minutes until heated through and well combined. Prepare the buffalo sauce, combining blue cheese and milk. Assemble the wraps with lettuce leaves and chicken. Serve with the buffalo sauce, chives, and pepper.